Designed within a 34 by 38 feet footprint, this exterior concept embodies modern minimalism by intentionally avoiding rigid cubic massing in favor of a striking asymmetrical pitched roof. The design relies on a bold material contrast, harmonizing warm vertical timber cladding with sleek dark gray metal accents to create a dynamic, grounded silhouette that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Inside, the open concept layout centers around a double-height living area that maximizes both verticality and natural light. Rather than using restrictive partition walls, the design intuitively zones functional spaces through cohesive material shifts like warm wood paneling and prominent stone focal points. Orienting these primary gathering areas toward expansive glass doors effortlessly blurs the indoor-outdoor boundary, ensuring an airy and highly functional environment. House 2. Spanning a precise 34 by 39 feet footprint, this concept achieves modern elegance by favoring a prominent pitched roof over rigid cubic massing. The facade creates a striking contrast, harmonizing warm vertical timber with smooth, light-toned walls and dark metal accents. This dynamic composition beautifully grounds the home within its landscaped environment. Inside, the interior color palette is meticulously curated around a warm, earthy spectrum designed to foster a serene and inviting atmosphere. A grounding canvas of soft, sandy neutrals and lightly textured walls is consistently enriched by the extensive use of natural, golden wood tones across the cabinetry, flooring, and exposed ceiling trusses. To provide a sophisticated modern edge, subtle touches of muted greens and stark black architectural hardware are strategically integrated, creating a perfectly balanced, layered, and cohesive visual experience.